to go to school, to achieve the dreams and goals in life. That's all. Thank you.
Very well said. Anong pangalan?
Miss Bago po.
From what branch? Fairview. Dito ka sa answer ko.
Kung nanalo man ako, yun lang yung mabibigay ko. Kasi manalo matalo, hindi magbabago. Anak pa rin ako ng nanay at tatay ko.
Anong pangalan? Anong branch? Okay, from Taft. Okay, your question. Do you think that the youth should participate in the attainment of peace and order in our country? Why? Again? Do you think that the youth should participate in the attainment of peace and order in our country?
Siyempre.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo
Ano tanong yun?
Kasi po, ang kapataan, siya po ang larawan ng ating bansa. Tsaka po, sila po, yung larawan, sila po yung kasama. Kinabukas na ating bansa.
Okay.
Hoy!
Okay, request ko mga student, pag sumasagot, quiet lang. Okay?
Sana naman po tahimik pag may sumasagot.
Okay. Okay. Your name? From what branch?
Ang
I
bastos
am
eh.
from Caloocan branch.
Okay, your question. Do you believe that the automating of the election system will help solve problems related to political corruption and cheating?
Hindi pa rin.
Do you believe that the automating of the election system will help solve problems related to political corruption and cheating? Why?
I trust the government very much. Kaya po, naniniwala ako na tama yung ginawa nilang desisyon sa automated election na ito.
Naboses na si Escudero ah.
Sa darating na eleksyon, sana rin po tama yung iboboto natin. Salamat po.
Okay. And last but not the least, your name?
Golda.
From what branch?
From Venezuela.
Venezuela. Okay, your question. Do you consider that tech-book education as an alternative learning can help promote the economic growth of our country? Why? Again, do you consider that tech-book education as an alternative learning can help promote the economic growth of our country? Why?
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. Thank you for that question. I will consider that perhaps any education is good for us. Of course, for me, as a student, and as a I believe
Asa anak ng God.
that
Ayos.
wala sa ating pangitalitang education, basta nagsisiligan tayo, maabot natin lahat ng pangarap natin.
Okay.
Manibilyan.
Okay, for Mr. Daytonex, top 5 from Laudel, from Plaridel, Bulacan. And this is your question. If you win in this pageant, what role do you think can you contribute to improve upon the character of our present-day youth?
Good afternoon, judges. Good afternoon sa all of you. Unang-una po sa lahat, nagkanalo po ako dito. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Diyos na may kapal. Pangalawa, magiging magandang huwara po ako sa mga youth and to be good ambassador of student. Thank you.
Thank you.
From what branch?
From
From someone. Your question is, do you believe that the automating of the election system will help solve problems related to political corruption and cheating? And why?
Ang parehas lang.
Una po sa lahat, gusto kong bumati sa lahat ng tao na dito. Especially sa mga judges. Para sa akin po, sa tingin ko po yung system ng election na yun ay hindi makakatulong sapagkat nasa katauhan na po ng iboboto natin kung ano ang kanyang dapat gawin sa ating bansa. Thank you po.
Follow-up branch.
Nahin na sinabi.
Follow-up hand. Your question is, do you consider that technical vocational education as an alternative learning can help promote the economic growth of our country and why?
Para sa akin po, ang vocational pag-aaral ay makakatulong sa ating bansa dahil madali tayong matututo sa pamamaraan na demand ngayon. Katulad ng computer, programming, computer science, mga ganyan. Makakatulong tayo sa ibang bansa at para doon sa atin, para yung sa ikabubuti ng ating bansa. At sa akin, salamat.
Thank you very much.
Kinakabahan.
From
Recto Branch.
From Rector. Your question is, as a student of Datamax, in what way do you think can promote the vision of the school in line with the scholarship program?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, judges.
Good afternoon.
As a student of Datamax, my vision is to be a good student and a good leadership of all Datamax students. Thank you.
Bisaya pala eh.
From what branch?
Las Piñas Branch.
From Las Piñas. Your question is,
Lumabas yung
do
tunay
you
na dugo.
think that the youth
Magpapala.
should participate in the attainment of peace and order in our country and why?
Ano po sa lahat, magandang hapon po sa lahat ng tao dito. Binabati ko nga pala mga taga Las Piñas.
Walang audience impact dyan.
Kasabihan nga po, kabataan, pag-asa ng bayan. E paano magiging pag-asa ng bayan ng mga kabataan ngayon kung puro gulo, kalawaan, nahulong sa droga. Kaya po gusto pumasok sa youth na to para po matulungan ng mga kabataan na magbagong buhay. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Napag-isipan ah.
Ayan, yan na ang ating top 5 male and female candidates for Mr. and Miss Datamax. Yan. Pinakabahan pa rin ba kayo? Medyo, meron ka rin. Okay. Yan, Sir Louie. Hirap daw eh. Ang hirap daw mag-design.